For those who just joined the class, please do your attendance first. Attendance link will be in the chat box together with your password. All right, all of you ready?
Ready.
Okay, that's good. So let's start our class with saying a self-affirmation. Can you say that I am important?
I am important.
Okay, once more. I want everyone.
I am important.
Very good, very good. Always remember that you are very important. Okay. Now, let's move on to what you are going to be learning today. Today, I'm going to teach you the word and some or any. So there are 4 words that you're going to learn. By the end of the lesson today, you should be able to differentiate the use of and some, any, right? And you also need to learn how to write sentences and tell us what you like to have on your food. When you write those sentences, you need to use the word and some or any. Okay? All right, so let's move on. Now, before we learn when to use the word and n, can you tell me first what is vowel?
It is A-E-I-O-U.
Very good, Hamish. It is A-E-I-O-U. Any word that starts with A-E-I-O-U. How about consonant? What is consonant? What is consonant? Consonant is other than vowel, selain daripada vowel, selain daripada A, E, I, O, U. For example, B, C, D, G, H, and so on. Okay? So these are what we call consonants and vowels. Okay? So what are your vowels? Apa tu vowel?
A-E-I-O-U.
Good. A, E, I, O, U. Kalau consonant?
Other than A-E-I-O-U.
Very good. Other than A, E, I, O, U. So let's look at the first one. Okay. The first one is the word N. We use N for singular countable nouns. What is singular?
It's only one thing.
Very good. Only one thing. What is countable nouns?
We can count.
Okay, benda yang boleh dikira. You can count. Okay, very good. So, if you find one thing and it is something that you can count, you can use the word N. But use the word N only for words that begin with the letters A, E, I, O, U. For example, there's an umbrella. Why do you use N?
Because there is U.
Very good, because there is a vowel. Umbrella starts with a vowel U. How about an old castle? Why use N?
Sebab selepas perkataan N ada huruf O.
Oh, okay. O is a vowel. That is why you got to use the word N. How about an hour? H tu bukannya vowel.
It's wrong.
So this is wrong.
Yeah.
Wow. So teacher's wrong, huh, Hamish? Okay. All right. Now, an hour. How do you say hour? Do you say it as hour? Ada tak sebut H tu? Atau, or you say hour?
Hour.
Ah. For the word
Dia punya macam O. Hour.
hour. Kalau perkataan hour ni, jangan sebut H. This H is what we call the silent H. The silent H. Maksudnya, H tu kamu kena potong. Jangan sebut H. Because you say it as our, you got to use the word N. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So N you use with vowel sound. When do you use N? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, very good. Now, do you have your notes? Or do you have, if you don't have, if you have your notes or no notes, take out your exercise book or a paper and copy this. Copy this. I want everyone to copy this, okay? I need every one of you to copy. Ada nota, tak ada nota, kena salin. Dalam nota, cikgu tak bagi ini. Cikgu bagi kotak sahaja. Because I want you to copy this. Copy yang mana cikgu kata copy yang ni sahaja ya. Yang dalam kotak ni sahaja ya. Only this one. There is N. There isn't N. Yang tu saja kena copy. Yang lain jangan salin. Jangan lukis. Nafis tak perlu lukis. Listen to the instructions very carefully. I asked you to write only this. Okay, are you done? You should be done by now.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, good. So, when do you use N? Jika ada, you say there is an orange. Kalau ada. There isn't. Kalau tiada, you can say there isn't an. Okay? Kalau ada, you say there is. Kalau tiada, you say there isn't. Alright? For those who have just joined the class, attendance link will not be given now, later. Next word is the word a. When do you use a?
Other than vowels.
Other than vowels. Very good. So, you use it for singular, maksudnya satu sahaja, and countable nouns. Kalau benda tu boleh dikira dan satu sahaja, you can use the word a. Jangan salin ya. I'm not asking you to copy this. Yang ni semua tak perlu salin. Cikgu akan bagi nota kecil nanti. Then you can salin. You understand?
Yes.
Do not copy. Listen. Listening is enough. Now, when do you use a? As Omish said, a you use for consonant sound other than vowel. Selain daripada A, E, I, O, U. For example, there's a cafe in my town. Why did I use word a? Kenapa cikgu guna a? Sebab mula dengan C. Because it starts with C. Bukan vowel. So that's why I need to use a. How many books can you see?
One.
One. And book, does it start with A, E, I, O, U?
No.
No. So if it's not starting with A, E, I, O, U, if it starts with a consonant, you say a book. How many cars can you see?
One.
One. I have a big car. Kenapa guna a big car bukan an big car? Sebab dia guna B consonant. Siapa yang masuk kelas lambat, cikgu akan bagi attendance at the end of the class. Masa cikgu ajar, janganlah tanya untuk attendance link. Yang tanya, let them ask. Yang tanya boleh tanya, tapi yang bagi link tu janganlah bagi link tu. Okay? You concentrate on what I am teaching. Focus here. Attendance can do later. Okay? Now, let's continue. Kita guna untuk konsonan. But make sure it is one countable noun. Now, you can copy this. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. So,
Done.
if you find only one countable noun, kalau ada satu benda yang boleh dikira, you can use the word a or an. Jika an, make sure it's for vowel. Mesti ada a, e, i, o, u. Jika consonant, then you can use the word a. Okay, let's try this. A or n for egg.
N.
Very good.
N.
Correct answer should be n because it begins with vowel. Wait, let me. Okay. How about apple?
N.
An apple. Orange.
N.
An orange. Lemon.
E.
A lemon. Why? Because you have L. All right. Okay. Are you clear? Are you clear?
Yes.
Yes, huh? Okay, very good, very good. Now, we are going to learn one more word and after that, we are going to do some activities, okay? All right? Okay.
Some.
Some. Can. We are going to learn about the word some. It is used, jangan salin, Don't copy. If I see you copying.
Okay.
Okay. Some you use for, what is this? You use for? You use for
Plural countable.
plural, countable, and
Uncountable noun.
okay, what is plural?
Many, more than one.
Okay, very good. Plural means, wow, Homesh, today you're very active, Plural means more than one. More than 12 pula. More than one. Lebih dari satu. Countable means boleh dikira. Uncountable means
We
Tak
cannot
boleh
count.
you cannot count. Okay. Okay. So now we are going to look at tomatoes. Can you count tomatoes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. If you can count, you can use the word some. Use the word some.
Some.
I buy some tomatoes from the market. Ayat ni positif ke negatif?
Positive.
Positif. Very good. Ingat, remember, kalau ayat tu positif, mesti guna some. Mesti guna apa? Some. Kalau ayat tu negatif, guna perkataan lain tau. So what must you remember? Kalau ayat tu positif, mesti guna some. Okay? Let's look at the next one. There are some books on the table. Books, boleh kira ke tak? Boleh kira. Okay? So, books you can count. You can use the word some. Kenapa? Kenapa guna some? Tak boleh guna a?
Because there are many books.
Very good. There are 3 books. It's more than one. So, you must use the word some books on the table. Next one is some cookies. Cookies. How many cookies can you see there?
4.
4 cookies. Anyone here eating cookie right now?
No.
No? What are you all eating now?
Rice.
Fries. Okay.
Spaghetti.
Okay. So there are some cookies in the jar. Why do you use the word some? Because
There's
the
more than
s-
one.
more than one,
One.
and the sentence is positive. But there is some milk in the refrigerator. Milk is more than one.
Yep.
I-
No.
No S.
Uncountable lah.
No S.
Uncountable.
Good. Uncountable. If it is uncountable noun, it's more than one, right? It's not
Yeah.
to say more than one, but it's a lot. Okay, uncountable nouns. So you can use the word there is some milk in the refrigerator. Okay. There is some money in my wallet. Why use some? Because it is uncountable. All right. All you have to remember is if the sentence is positive, you use the word some. Okay. All right. Now you can count. Count. No, you can write. The clue, the most important thing you have to remember today, if your sentence is positive, you must use the word some. Good, Nafis. But some apples. Kena tambah S. Sebab some tu kita guna untuk lebih dari satu.
Teacher, I'm done.
Done.
I'm not done.
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 All right, all of you done? Very sorry. Now, some tu guna untuk ayat positif ke negatif?
Positif.
Positif. Some tu guna untuk satu ke banyak?
Banyak.
Banyak. All right, remember that. Okay. So let's see. Flour. Can I use some flour?
No.
Boleh tak? No.
Yes.
Yes.
Can. Sebab apa-apa yang tidak boleh dikira, boleh guna some. Janganlah guna a flour. Can you count? Boleh ke kira tepung?
Tak.
Tak boleh. So you have to use some. Okay? Sugar. Some or a or n.
Some.
Some. Yes, very good. How about butter?
Some butter.
Some butter. All these are uncountable nouns. Semuanya benda yang tidak boleh dikira. How about milk?
Some.
Some milk. All right, very good. Now, let's see. I'm going to give you some time first. Can you quickly write your answers in your exercise book?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see who can get 10 over 10, okay? Okay, you write your answers.
Dekat buku ke? Teacher at the book or the chat? At the book or the chat?
All right, all of you done?
No.
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 No. I think I'm going to have a timer. I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Come on. 2 minutes. Done. Oi, lajunya Alia.
I'm done.
Okay, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Let's see who can be done within these 2 minutes.
Done. Teacher, I'm done.
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 Okay, so I kurangkan to 1 minute.
Done.
Anyone still doing?
Yes, me.
Okay, do.
Susah habis lah. Ada. Ada lagi. Done.
Okay, if you are done, let's see what's the time now. Okay, 1 minute. So, shall we discuss the answers?
Yes.
Yes, Nafis. Yes, I like Mr. Potato. Now, let's start. Complete with a, and, or some. How about milk?
Some.
Some. Okay. Onion.
And.
Okay, very good. Wait, why onion and?
Sebab daripada kata O.
Very good. It starts with O. Pasta.
Some.
Some pasta. Tak boleh kira ke?
Boleh.
Ha, ingatkan boleh kira ke satu-satu mau ambil? No, you cannot count pasta. Okay.
Alamak.
Burger. Very good. Orange.
And.
Good. And. Potato. N. N. Kenapa pula not N? Boleh apa guna N?
Ini sebab dia tak ada A-E-I-O-U.
Very good, Arisa Zara. N tak boleh because don't have A-E-I-O-U. 7. Biscuit.
Some.
Homesh, can you see biscuits? Biscuits means more than one. If there's no S, that means it's one. A biscuit. Okay? Remember, if you have S at the back of noun, kalau adalah biscuits, potatoes, then you can use some biscuits. But if it's only one, tada S, then only one must use a. How about the next one? Popcorn.
Some.
No. Some popcorn. Okay? Carrot. Good. Cheese.
Some.
Very good. Some cheese. Okay?
Saya 10/10.
10/10. Excellent. Lagi siapa dapat 10?
Saya. Me. Saya.
Okay, fantastic. Semuanya. There you go. Tepukan. Who got 9?
Saya.
Me.
Very good. 8.
Me.
Very good. Okay, 7. You have to focus in my class. Okay? Let's move on. Last one. After this, we will go and play other games. Okay? Any. When do you use any? Any is used for plural. What is plural?
More than one.
Very good. More than one. What is countable?
We can count.
You can count. What is uncountable?
We
We
can
can count.
You can't count. But it is same as before, right? Sama dengan perkataan some. But any,
Negative.
very good. Any you can use for negative or questions. Kalau soalan atau negatif, ayat yang negatif, you must use any. For example, I didn't buy any tomatoes from the market. Can you count tomatoes? Yes. Tomatoes, one or more than one?
More than
More
one.
than one.
More than one. Is the sentence positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative, because you use the word didn't. That's why you must use the word any. You cannot say I didn't buy some tomatoes. No, some is for positive. But if you want to use the word any, you can use it for negative. Clear? Let's look at
Yeah.
the sentences. There aren't any books on the table. Books, can you count?
Yes.
Okay, countable. Is it more than one?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, more than one. Aren't, is it positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative. If it's negative, you must use the word any.
Any.
Last one. There aren't any cookies in the jar. Cookies, can you count?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. More than one or one?
More than
More than
one.
one.
More than one. Aren't, positive or negative?
Negative.
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 So can I use some?
No.
No, I must use the word any.
Any.
There aren't any cookies in the jar. Oh, last one. This is the last one. Sorry. There isn't any milk in the refrigerator. Is milk countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. So, uncountable tak perlu tengok S ke, tak ada S ke, tak perlu tengok. Uncountable, no need to add any S. Is the sentence positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. Kalau negative, what must you use?
Any.
Any.
Any. Do you have any question?
Nope. No.
Okay, no question. All right, copy this.
Sorry, teacher. I joined late.
Yeah, Chloe, you're always late, you know. Okay, next week you must try to come early, yeah? So far we have learned the word a and some or any. When to use a, when to use and, when to use some, when to use any. Okay, now we are at the last part, any. All you have to do is copy this one here in the box. There aren't any, there isn't any.
And
All right, all of you done?
No.
yes.
No.
No?
Wait, teacher.
Okay, faster.
Thank you.
Me.
Okay. All right, so let's continue. We're going to take a quick break. Okay. Do you have a book? Any book? Buku kosong kah, buku apa-apa ke lah. Do you have any book? Buku kecil ke, buku besar ke, anything? Yes, huh? Okay. All I want you to do is, I want you to put it on your head. Okay, put the book on your head. Okay, and you got to keep the book on your head until I finish counting 10. Can? Sampai teacher kira 10, you need to put the book on your head. All right? Okay, ready? Let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Alamak, tak boleh tengok pula cikgu punya kepala. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. Jangan sentuh, ha? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woi, very good. Okay, now
What happens if it falls?
Macam apa? Okay, wait Now, I want you to stand and sit 5 times. Ready? With the book on your head. Ready? 1, 2, 5 kali ya. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, stand. 1, duduk. Stand 2, down. Stand 3. What is this, Homesh? Stand 4. Don't touch the book. Stand 5. Alia jatuh juga. Nur Aisyah jatuh juga. Yay! Cikgu punya tak jatuh. Alright, very good. Okay, next one. Take a pen or a pencil. Pen or pencil, ada?
Yes.
Pen ke pencil ke, satu cukup. Anything. Okay, now put that on your head. Put that on your head. And you're going to keep it until I count 10. Can? Pencil, Ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ada jatuh ke tak? Okay, now I want you to put it on your head and nod your head. Nod tu kena angguk kepala. Ready?
Astaghfirullahaladzim.
Tapi tak boleh jatuh lah. Okay, ready? 1. My pencil is still on my head. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Nod. Ada lagi ke jatuh dah?
How the teacher do that?
Okay. I just
Saya tak jatuh lagi.
tak jatuh lagi. Very good. See? Masukkan je macam ni. Tapi kalau kamu lelaki means cannot do anything lah. Kalau lelaki mesti jatuh. Alright, okay. That was just a quick break. Cikgu nak main-main saja sekejap ya. Okay, now let's continue. Are you ready to continue? Yes? Okay. Now before we move on to any exercise, we want to have a quick revision. Apa yang kamu belajar? We learned the word
And some, any.
Okay.
Any.
Okay, very good. And some and any. When do you use a?
Other than vowels.
Abdul.
Okay. What do you call that? Consonant. You use it for consonant and one or many?
One.
One. Okay, very good. How about N?
A, E,
I, O, U.
Okay, A, E, I,
O,
O, U. One or many?
Many.
Many?
One.
Hey, jangan bagi cikgu tension tau. N tu ada berapa? Satu saja, only one. Okay? Dengan N, dua-dua satu sahaja. Okay? Kalau some, one or many?
Many.
Very good, very good. Some tu kita guna untuk many. Lagi-lagi, very important. Untuk ayat apa cikgu kena guna some?
Positive.
Very good, Darul. Positive. Any? Any?
Many.
Okay. Negative or positive?
Negative.
Okay. Negative. This is what you need to remember. Can you remember that?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, very good. Now, let's try this one first. Based on the picture, what is in the refrigerator? I want you to write for me 2 sentences. Tulis 2 ayat. Guna some, a or n. Gunalah 3-3, anything. Tengok cikgu punya fridge first. What is in my refrigerator?
2 soalan je.
2 ayat saja. There is dengan there are. Write for me in the chat box. I want answer in the chat box. Chat box. For example, there is ada apa?
Box saya rosak.
Bos ke cikgu tak bagi tu?
No, pergilah cari new chat. New chat.
Oh, this.
Ada benda-benda warna biru with a pencil. There is
This search by
kena guna
This
some,
search by name.
kena guna some, a atau an. Kalau tak ada, ayat kamu salah. Must use some, a or an. For example, I'll give you an example. There is some apples. Ada beberapa apple dalam refrigerator tu.
Three. Three.
There is some apples pula. Wait. There are some apples. Yes. Ada banyak. What do you have? This is why, Chloe, you should join the class earlier, girl. Fish, it starts with consonant F. So you must use there is a fish in the refrigerator, not an. Okay, you can see some apples. Hana. Okay, some bananas. Ada lebih dari satu Nafis. Kena tambah S. Bananas.
Teacher, tulis dalam chat ke?
Yes. Dalam chat box. There is some milk.
Tak boleh.
Kak teacher Bashiti.
Yes. Cici bukan Vashti. Vashti. Cari on the top left. You will find blue color with a pencil. Where's your answer?
Chat saya disable.
No. Bukan disable. It is able. Pergi cari ikon warna biru di atas tu dengan pensel. Warna biru dengan pensel. Cari. Okay, good. Auni Syafia. There are some eggs. Kan ada salin-salin tadi. Contoh. Tengoklah contoh. Look at the example. If you have some, tengok apa yang kamu salin tadi tu. Untuk benda tidak boleh dikira, you use there is some. Kalau boleh dikira, you say there are some. Daryl, very good. There is an egg. Chloe, good. Auni, Madiha, very good. Look at the examples in your examples that you copied earlier. There are some carrots, very good, Rai. Nafis, kalau satu telur, egg, boleh guna N. Kalau ada banyak, kena guna apa? Khaira Safia, ada satu apple ke banyak apple? Khaira, bukan Mike?
Banyak apple.
Kalau banyak, boleh ke guna N? Tadi salin apa? N tu guna untuk satu sahaja. Kalau banyak, kena guna some. Amar Nafal, very good. Rai, very good. Homesh, what's your answer? Still writing? Sofia.
Teacher, belakang carrot tu apa?
Belakang?
Carrot.
Belakang carrot.
Yang tu.
Potatoes.
Potato.
Sofia Zera, where are you? Sofia Zera.
Yeah.
Okay, Sofia Zera, there is N fish. Bolehkah guna N?
No.
N guna untuk apa? Kalau A, E, I, O, U. So, Sofia Zara, this is F. Boleh ke guna N?
Tak.
Tak boleh. Kena guna sahaja. Khaira Safia, apple ada berapa? Khaira?
Ya.
Ada berapa apple?
Ada banyak.
Kalau ada banyak, kena tambah S di belakang apple tu. Nafis. Nafis. Nafis boleh dengar?
Ya.
There is an chicken. Chicken tu guna A, E, I, O, U ke? Nafis?
Tak.
Tak. Kalau tak guna A, E, I, O, U, boleh ke guna N?
Tak boleh.
Tak boleh. So, kena guna a chicken. Okay, buat correction. Okay, Arisa. Okay, very good, Arisa. Haura Nazifa, kenapa ada perkataan aren't? Yes, Alia.
Saya tak boleh check.
Ada. Cari. Ada blue color icon dengan pensel. Ada tak warna biru, kotak warna biru dengan pensel?
Ada.
Tekan tu, cari Teacher Vashti. Siti Lydia, very good, correct answer. Nurhana, very good, correct answer. Homesh, good, very good. Nuraisha. Alamak, Nuraisha, there is some water. Mana ada water?
Itu.
Okay. There are a fish. Tu kita guna untuk satu ke banyak?
Banyak.
Banyak. So fish tu ada
Model.
berapa?
Satu.
Satu. Lepas tu kenapa guna are a fish? Sepatutnya guna is. Potong are tu, please write is. Okay. So are you all clear?
Yes.
Yes. Danish Ryan, very good. Hannah, okay, very good. All right. Who else? Nafis.
Ya.
Okay. Milk, boleh kira ke tidak boleh dikira?
Tidak boleh.
So, kalau tidak boleh dikira, boleh ke guna a? A tu untuk benda boleh kira ke tak boleh kira?
Boleh kira.
A tu satu je, satu benda dengan benda yang boleh dikira. So, boleh guna apa? Kalau ada, there is some milk. Kenapa some milk? Sebab milk tu benda tidak boleh dikira. Okay? Alia, okay, there is a cake, good. Alia Maisara, ada berapa ikan? Alia Maisara, ada berapa ikan? Ada berapa? How many fish? One. So boleh ke guna some? Kalau one. Some tu guna untuk satu ke banyak? Alia Maisara, some tu guna satu ke banyak? Tak boleh dengar ke?
Boleh.
Tak boleh? Okay, kalau tak boleh buat apalah. Alright, adjust kamu punya sound tu. Okay, now I want you to go and look inside your refrigerator. Pergi carilah dalam refrigerator kamu tu. Bagi tahu teacher ada apa. Macam mana nak? Kena guna some, a atau an. Pergi cari. Kalau ada banyak, guna there are. Kalau ada satu saja, guna there is. Pergi cari and come and show me. Kalau tak boleh show, never mind lah. You just write for me. Jangan duduk-duduk. Pergi cari dalam refrigerator kamu. Pergi cari. Go and see what is in your refrigerator and tell me what's in your refrigerator.
Where's everyone?
They are looking for things in the refrigerator. What's in your refrigerator? You got to use the word some, a or an and you got to tell me.
Kalau untuk makanan tu lepas tu surut boleh?
Boleh juga, kan? Malas nak tulis ke?
Teacher, can I both put them there are?
Satu ayat je kau.
I want there is and there are. Satu yang there is satu-satu saja, and then I also want many. Haura Nazifa.
Teacher,
Yes.
there is an egg.
Very good, Daryl. There is an egg. Lagi? What else do you have? If you have something to show, you can raise your hand. Angkat tangan. Yes, Nurhana, what do you have?
There are some blueberries.
Very good. There are some blueberries. Good, correct answer. Good job. How about anyone else? Kara Safia, what do you have?
Okay.
What do you have? Tunjuk or show and tell?
There,
There is
there
some melon.
some onion.
Again, louder.
There is some onion.
Okay, wait. There is some onion. Betul? Satu je onion. Satu je onion tu. Bawang tu satu je. Kalau satu, kena guna some ke a atau n? N. Yes. Kalau satu sahaja, kena guna a atau n. Mana nak guna n? If it starts with vowel. Okay? Next one.
There is some milk.
Very good. What is it? Who is that? I can't see the name. Siti Lydia. Yes. There.
There is some milk.
Very good. Uncountable noun. There is some milk. Good job. Next one. Siapa lagi?
There is some lemon.
Okay. There is some.
Lemon.
Lagi sekali. There is some.
There is some lemon.
Betul ke?
Lemons.
Good. There is some lemons. Next one. Who else? What do you have? Homesh, what do you have? You don't have anything in your fridge.
There is a
I'm
banana.
writing chat.
Oh, you're writing in the chat. Now, no need to write. Just tell me. What?
Some grapes.
There?
Some grapes. Some grapes.
There are some grapes.
Okay, there are some grapes. Good. Razin, what do you have?
Some egg.
Sentence. There.
There are some grapes.
Some grapes. Grapes juga. Okay, very good. Very good. Yes, what do you have, Esther? Esther, what do you have? Chloe, Esther, what do you have?
There is a potato in my refrigerator.
Lagi sekali. There is.
There is a potato in my refrigerator.
Okay, there is a potato. All right. Okay, good. Alia, your turn.
There is
Okay.
there is a cake.
There is a cake. Okay, very good, very good. Baru cikgu nak tanya, siapa pun tak ada cake ke? Very good, Alia. Rai, what do you have?
There is an apple.
Okay, there is an apple in your refrigerator. Very good. Anyone else? Humara Rose, what do you have? Humara Rose, what do you have?
This is a watermelon.
There is a watermelon. Okay, good. Hannah, yes, what do you have?
There is some chocolate.
Okay, okay, good. What else?
There is some buttercream.
Buttercream. Okay, very good. There is some butter. Okay, kalau benda yang tidak boleh dikira, you can use some. All right, very good. Now I know what is in your, yes, Nuraisha, what do you have?
Nothing.
What do you have?
There is an orange.
Orange, there is an orange in your fridge. Okay, very good. Siapa pun tak ada popcorn ke? No popcorn in your fridge? No? How about juice? You don't have any juice? No juice?
Ada, dah.
Alamak.
Have.
Ada? Got? Okay. Alright.
Lychee.
Lychee. Very good, very good. Okay, I just wanted to know what you have in your fridge. And all you have to do is you have to use the word a and some or any. Now, as for our last activity for today, you're supposed to write something, but tak apalah, tak sempat. So never mind. We will just play quizzes for the word a and some or any. Ingat ya, any tu untuk ayat positif ke negatif? Tak ada student dalam kelas teacher.
Maybe
Huh.
we go for support.
Any, use for positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative. Some, use for positive or negative?
My fiancé.
Positive.
Positive. Alright, very good. Which one must I use if I have one? Kalau ada satu saja, guna apa? Atau?
And.
And. Alright, very good. Kalau ada banyak, what do I use?
Some.
Some. Okay, you can click on the link and you can start.
Cikgu, dia tak keluar soalan. Dia warna putih.
Refresh. Tekan refresh, Humaira.
Teacher tak boleh juga. Dia warna putih skrin dia.
Satu je caranya, refresh. Kalau tak, kamu kena guna different device, Humaira. Kalau refresh pun tak berlaku, tak ada apa-apa, kena guna device lain. Guna laptop ke, guna handphone lain ke, that's the only way. All right, for those who are done with your quizzes, please click on the link for your attendance. I have your attendance link in the chat box together with your password. Siapa yang belum buat tadi tu? All right, so today we learned the word and, some, or any. For those who joined us slightly late today, please try to be punctual in your next class, okay? So that we can all learn better. Now, this is the end of our class. Siapa yang masih buat quizzes tu, you can please continue. But I have a different class to go to. So have a good night and goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
Goodbye.